people chose here, and I just want to do this quick video because I just bought some traffic, and the traffic just started, and I got a gold member already, and as you, the traffic started at 5:58, 6:11. I got a gold member, which is $20 residual income. I just started, and I only got three leads so far, and it's converting already. I don't even know who this person is. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, the Power Lead system, it works. I just started. You can see here's the time, 5:58. Only three leads because the fourth lead is the guy that sending the traffic, and somebody purchased the affiliate members, the gold membership. I haven't talked to him. I don't know him. So I just want to do this quick video to show you that the Power Lead system works. And you're looking to join a business that works. I'm showing you that it works. And basically, what I do, I buy traffic, and this is the guy that I bought traffic from. And I will be buying traffic from this person only because every time I buy traffic from him, I get sales. So I only bought 75 clicks. So you can imagine if I really buy 200 clicks, it's converting with off of the first three leads and get a sale. So you know his traffic is good. So I'm gonna leave my link in the description, and you can go through the funnel and check it out. If you want to join, you can. If not, it's okay. But if you do join, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll show you where I'm getting traffic from, and this is the guy I buy traffic from, and probably will be the only person I buy traffic from for a while. So like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.